Are you a UK resident looking for a simple, hands-off way to start investing and keep the taxman's hands off your returns? If you've heard about the stock market but found it too complicated, or if you've been looking for a tax-efficient way to grow your money over the long term, then a Stocks and Shares ISA is one of the most powerful tools available to you. And at the forefront of managed investment ISAs in the UK is Nutmeg. So, what exactly is a Nutmeg Stocks and Shares ISA? In short, it's an individual savings account that allows you to invest in a portfolio of assets, like company shares and bonds, without having to pay UK income tax or capital gains tax on any of your profits. Nutmeg makes it unique because they are an online wealth manager, often called a robo-advisor, which means they handle all the investment decisions for you. Here's how it works and what makes the Nutmeg ISA stand out. First, the tax shield. The biggest benefit is the ISA wrapper itself. Every UK resident gets an annual ISA allowance, which is £20,000 for the current tax year. You can put all or part of that into a Nutmeg Stocks and Shares ISA, and any profits you make, whether that's from dividends or growth, are yours to keep, completely tax-free. Second, it's managed for you. Unlike a DIY platform where you have to pick every single stock and fund yourself, Nutmeg offers a fully managed service. When you sign up, you answer a few simple questions about your goals and your comfort with risk, from lower risk, conservative portfolios to higher risk, growth-focused ones. Nutmeg's team of experts then constructs and actively manages a globally diversified portfolio for you, so you don't have to worry about the day-to-day trades. This is perfect for beginner investors or anyone who prefers a hands-off approach. Third, flexible investment styles. Nutmeg offers different strategies to match your personal values or preferences. You can choose from fully managed, where the team makes strategic adjustments to protect against losses and boost returns. Fixed allocation, a simpler, lower-cost option that rebalances automatically. Socially responsible investing, portfolios weighted towards companies with stronger environmental, social, and governance profiles. In essence, a Nutmeg Stocks and Shares ISA simplifies investing by wrapping it in a powerful tax shield and putting a team of professionals in charge of your portfolio, making it one of the easiest ways for a UK investor to start building long-term wealth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.